Alright guys, what's up? You know the deal. We're back with another video. And right now we're leaving Islamorada Sandbar. We're gonna be heading towards Homestead, and it's probably about a 40-mile run. We raced them yesterday. It was a fun race. If you guys haven't watched the videos that I've been posting lately, go watch them because they're all bangers, trust me. We're in a 36 Avanti powered by triple 300 Pro XS's. And this boat is fast, so let's go.
So cute.
You're sitting there chilling. You know how to drive this thing, man?
You do that.
Put it forward. Why does it only have one and not two?
That's so that it flies.
So this is how you make it faster.
Yeah. You go like that, and it gets an extra 20 miles an hour.
Let her scream!
Hats.
No, my hat don't fly away, bro. I think it is up to 100 miles an hour. It don't fly away.
no?
Huh?
Did he hit it with the
No. He didn't run over like that.
I'm gonna sit on it. Let's do that.
He ran it.
Yeah, doesn't look like we've been cutting off all weekend. Say sorry.
I want to.
Say sorry. You cut him off twice yesterday.
Say hi to you.
I think
Sorry about yesterday.
it was twice. I told him to say sorry.
Have a good day, guys.
Alright guys, so we're dropping off Arturo and his wife here at Gilbert's, and then we're gonna head back down, or we're gonna head up north back to Homestead. Yeah, no baby, you look like a raccoon.
What is going on?
Tú saliste en el bote este weekend, baby, tú disfrutaste.
Well, babe,
This girl called off work to come out here, and she's gonna go back to work with raccoon eyes.
what is going on?
You got raccoon eyes, baby. Hey, what's up?
30 AMT. Well, Predator.
Eso.
Es un AMT-30, pero picado por la mitad y este tiene un control.
I like that. Look at this. Alcantara seats, man. What?
Are you guys gonna sit in the back or in the front?
I'm gonna stand.
I'm sitting like this if he's not here.
Yeah, I'll be sitting and standing. I'll take care of him. I'm responsible for him. We're officially back in Homestead, guys. Look at the sunset. We beat the sunset. Whew. How many miles did we run? So we ran 80 miles and we got here in about an hour. So from Islamorada to Homestead, it took an hour and it's 80 miles. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good night. Peace.